Hi there, this is Farhana 2.0. I am text-to-speech AI neural, trained by Farhana Sethi, and today I am going to talk about how you can magically turn your text into a real video in a second. There is a latest trend of AI-generated content, and one of the hot one is to make a video from text. Other than ChatGPT-4, which is really amazing and everyone talks about how cool its multimodal feature is, Meta has used the same technology and come up with an amazing tool named Make a Video. If you're wondering what is multimodal AI means, multimodal AI is able to operate within multiple kinds of input like video, images, and sound. And Make a Video is a state-of-the-art AI system that generates videos from text. This technology works amazingly simple. The system accepts short descriptions like a robot surfing a wave in the ocean or clownfish swimming through the coral reef and dynamically generates a short GIF of the description. There are even 3 different styles of videos to choose from: surreal, realistic, and stylized. It's much harder to generate video than photos because beyond correctly generating each pixel, the system also has to predict how they'll change over time. Make a Video solves this by adding a layer of unsupervised learning that enables the system to understand motion in the physical world and apply it to traditional text-to-image generation. Meta's AI research team wrote a paper describing how the system works and how it differs from current text-to-image (T2I) methods. Unlike other machine language models, Meta's text-to-video (T2V) method doesn't use predefined text-video pairs. For example, it doesn't pair man walking with a video of an actual man walking. If this sounds a lot like DALL.E, the popular T2I application, you wouldn't be far off. Other T2I applications have rolled out since DALL.E gained popularity. TikTok released a filter in August called AI Green Screen that generates painting-style images based on the words you type. Make a Video research builds on the recent progress made in text-to-image generation technology built to enable text-to-video generation. The system uses images with descriptions to learn what the world looks like and how it is often described. It also uses unlabeled videos to learn how the world moves. With this data, Make a Video lets you bring your imagination to life by generating whimsical, one-of-a-kind videos with just a few words or lines of text. Here, take the example of few surreal video with text. A teddy bear painting a portrait. Robot dancing in Times Square. Cat watching TV with a remote in hand. A fluffy baby sloth with an orange knitted hat trying to figure out a laptop close-up highly detailed studio lighting screen reflecting in its eye. And here are some realistic video examples. An artist's brush painting on a canvas close-up. Clownfish swimming through the coral reef. A young couple walking in a heavy rain. Horse drinking water. Here are few stylized video examples that generated from text. Hyperrealistic spaceship landing on Mars. An oil painting of a couple in formal evening wear going home get caught in a heavy downpour with umbrellas. There is a table by a window with sunlight streaming through illuminating a pile of books. An emoji of a baby panda wearing a red hat, blue gloves, green shirt, and blue pants. This technology analyzes millions of pieces of data to learn about the world. As a way to reduce the risk of harmful content being generated, system examined, applied, and iterated on filters to reduce the potential for harmful content to surface in videos. Since it looks realistic, it add a watermark to all videos system generate. This will help ensure viewers know the video was generated with AI and is not a captured video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you have learned something new today. And I will see you in the next one.